It's one of those days again. Get out when the sun starts to come up and capture that sunrise. So I sat down over here and I tried to get Wi-Fi going with, live stream. Total failure. Wasted battery of the DJI, wasted my phone battery. Technology, man. DJI, get your act together. Make it easier. Don't make it so complicated. Maybe 10 years down the road, we'll get live stream going. Yeah, so I got a security camera to put up in the back, and I got the pole already up there, solar panel, and I want to make the pole just a little taller. That means I gotta go buy stuff. I'm afraid the pole may be a little too wavy with a lightweight solar panel and a camera up there, but at least I'm able to hook it up, get the job done. Maybe stick one of those solar panel lights up there as well and get the job done a little later. I may plan this just right with that little hesitation there, thanks DJI. I'm going to capture that sunrise. Now when I bike ride, I don't put my camera away. I shoot for a couple of seconds, maybe a minute, shut it off, and then I come back 5-10 minutes later. My camera's always outside in the cold. And thanks DJI, working just like that, nice and bold. We got some activity down the road. It looks like 2 emergency vehicles. We'll get up to it in a few seconds. The sun's rising. I'm about to make it. I can see it from here. And yeah, they're by the playing field. So yeah, we'll cut across the next one. Let's go check the fire out. Look at that. Yes, indeed. It's the RC field, a lipo fire. Let's go see this safely. Yes, indeed. Got the generator going. Motorcycle. Not good. Burn a motorcycle. DJI, you finally instantly came on. Maybe you were like that hot with the motorcycle, man. Unbelievable. People take things they steal and they burn. All right, let's go to that sunrise. A little bit more interesting things for me. Yes, indeed. Go catch that sunrise. A lot of detours. Here we go. The sunrise. Just made it. That's my horn. It's the front brake. It always squeaks. That's the way it is. Oh yeah. Nice calm day. It's cold indeed. My fingers are frozen already. Don't you just love the city noise? The bus gotta continue and continue to back up. Man, I just looked at my camera and I saw like a -10 or something on there. I have no clue what that said on there. I'm on Pro right now. Watch the sunrise. I'm not sure what the thing is on, if it's set up to, you know, anything else. I know pros. Again, I see like a 10 on there as soon as I stop it, so I'm going to stop it. I've got to touch the screen. And it's not tapping the hold, it's not the battery, it's not something, it's just something on there that's strange. I don't get it, DJI. You got like a 10 on the back of the screen in gold. Anybody else see that? It happened twice. But when I want to go see it, it don't happen. Oh man, what an exciting day. Oh, look at this, man. I could ride down the middle of a road. Woohoo! What the hell, DJI? Why were you on? You're supposed to be in the off state. Look, my smartphone. It'll turn on. It's in the cold since I've been out here. Not like a GoPro. Oh, I don't know if I could get it to go on because I am riding, you know, single-handedly. And I am on a slant. There you go. It goes on. Well, I know I got a green plus. I know I got a red number 10. It is what it is. I'm going to put my camera away. I had enough vlogging for today. I got to get back to work. I got things to do, take care of, business to handle, and jobs to do. On that note, I'm Fish, and I catch you on many other videos to come.